first advice I would give to a new PhD student would be to be very well organized, because I think doing research takes a lot of planning ahead. And there are many steps involved before you actually go into the lab and perform your experiments. So you need to go through the literature, you need to take notes, check the available consumables you might have, and that's when you can actually do your experiment. And being organized, I think it will help you in all the different stages of your PhD. So because you might need to have some assessments, to attend lectures, and in general, it will help you be on top of things. And the second advice I would give is to actually really enjoy it, because I think doing a PhD is a very special period in a scientist's career and life in general. And you actually have to realize that you have the opportunity to actually solve a problem and give a very impactful solution to a problem that might affect so many people around you. For me, my first year of my PhD so far has taught me to be very independent. And this has happened because I had spent so many days doing troubleshooting and designing my experiments. And when I started getting good results and seeing that this is going somewhere, I realized that I can do it by myself, and it felt really rewarding. And at the same time, I think I also became a lot more confident in supporting and sharing my scientific opinion. And this has happened because I had to present my data in my team, at my colleagues so many times. And I was attending conferences when I had to present my work. And this was actually a very good practice. Doing cancer research was my dream since I was doing my bachelor. And that's when I realized that there are so many things that we need to improve treatment-wise. And at the time, there was so much focus on exploring the reason why someone develops a malignancy. But we only knew little about how to effectively eradicate cancer and give patients sustained cancer remission. So I saw a very big gap, and I felt that we researchers need to fill it in with our knowledge and expertise. And that's when I decided to do a master's on cancer immunotherapy. And one thing led to another, and then I was very lucky to find an excellent lab here at Imperial College doing exactly that. I like so many things, but I think the one thing I like most is that we have the tools and the freedom to explore different solutions to solve such a global health issue such as cancer. The good thing is that we can be as creative as we like, but also have a scientific framework that we work within. And the most rewarding part, I would say, is that we can see our work in the lab be transferred into the clinic and ultimately help patients. I would say that one of the most memorable moments in my PhD was when I had my early stage assessment, and it was very rewarding to see and present all the work that I did for 9 months since I started my PhD, and discuss it with my assessors, which came from different cancer research areas. And it was very exciting to see that this actually led somewhere. And I think in the end, everyone was so excited to see what I'm gonna do next. And the second highlight, I would say, is when I was awarded the prize for the poster competition in the Rising Scientist Day within the Faculty of Medicine. And I was very happy to get this award, because we were all the PhD students from all the years of the PhD. And it was very exciting to see that my work actually meant something for someone, and it was awarded for that.